Hi everyone, my July 2020 Summer Nights paper pumpkin just arrived and I thought I would open it with you. So, first up, the Stamp Spot Blackberry Bliss. Very nice. Okay, next the stamps. I'm going to put them on this background so you can see them better, hopefully. But you've got, looks like maybe a firework here, some little, looks like a little burst of some kind. Not sure what that little dot is. I'll have to see. You light up my life. Very cute. You're invited. It's a party. Nice for summer. I like this little jar. It's like a little mason jar with a little handle. How cute is that? A little stick. This looks like it could be like a shooting star of some kind. RSVP, when and where. And this one says, oh, the summer nights are alight with everything magic and bright. Very cute. So it's a summer theme with lightning bugs and fireworks. Very cute. Oh, this is talking about the Summer Nights add-on pack. And I did get that. I'll show that at the end. Okay, here is the kit. Look at how cute these cards are. So you've got a mason jar with some lightning bugs, Ferris wheel and some stars like a summer party, fireworks, all these cute little lanterns hanging up in the night sky. So let me open this. See if I can do it without hurting anything. Okay, now, if I remember correctly, this is going to be a bag that you can put a little tea light in. Let me see if I can, yep. Okay. So we've got, yes, that is what it is. It's a cute little bag. And you decorate the bag with some more little fireworks and some stars, and you put a little tea light inside, and you've got a cute little luminary to put out on your patio, and there's 9 of these if I remember from the description. Let me see. 9 cute little bags. Very cute. I'm gonna definitely have to have these lit up. That's really cute. Okay, then we've got some adhesives and some baker's twine. Some fun, look at these little puffy stars. Those are cute. Here are some card backgrounds, and these are really pretty, aren't they? So 3 each for a total of 9. Here are the envelopes. And then look at these cute little sheets here. These are embellishments. We've got our Ferris wheel, and looks like a little carnival, and our lanterns, and the lightning bugs. Oh, and here's the cute little jars. Aren't they sweet? Okay, now you only need 3 of these little jars for your card kit, and there's 3 extra, so that's nice. Likewise with the Ferris wheel, you only need 3 of these sheets, and yet you've got enough to make 4. And then on the lightning bug card, it says you need 3, but you've got tons of extra lightning bugs, so you can use them on your other card, and you only need about a few of these too. So you're going to have lots of leftover pieces for your cards. And then here's your labels. And you've got extras of those as well. You're going to have 3 left over of this one, I can see off the bat, and you're going to have some leftovers. 1 of each of these are going to be left over too. So you're going to have some leftover pieces here, which is always nice. You can use those on another card. Now I want to show you, so these, I love these backgrounds. Those are really cute. So here are our cards for the kit. Really cute. And now I want to show you this add-on pack. So this is an add-on pack that you can get. It does not have to go with these stamps because with the paper pumpkin stamps, these can be used for just anything you have already. And it's a really great deal because it's only $10 for the add-on pack, but you're actually getting so many. You've got 24 envelopes, and they've got this really cute little gold trim. 24, and look at the insides of the envelopes. They have cute little patterns. Look how cute. Little fireflies. I think there's 3 different ones. Here's a different color, and there's one more color. There we go. 3 different colors. You've got 24 of those, so 8 of each. And then here are the backgrounds for those cards, and I think they're just gorgeous. And again, you've got 8 of each. So you've got 8 like this one. 8, this one's probably my favorite. 8 of those. And 8 of these for a total of 24 cards. And again, you can use these with the leftover pieces from the kit as they're showing here. But you can also use them for anything. So you're going to find tons of stamps in your collection that you can use with the add-on kit. I think you're going to be able to make so many. And what a good deal. 24 card bases and envelopes for $10. That is an awesome deal. And they're standard size. Really nice. Anyway, so if you want an add-on kit, an add-on pack to go with a kit that you didn't buy when you bought your subscription came and you wish you had these to use with your pieces, let me know. We can figure out how to get you that. Or if you didn't get Paper Pumpkin or the kit, the add-on pieces, and you really want them because they are really cute, let me know and I will find a way to get you those too. So these are really cute. And as you know, I always pick up extra Paper Pumpkin kits so that I can sell them to people who missed out because of the COVID-19 situation. I'm not having my stamp buffets and my stamp camps, and that's normally where I sell them. And so I do have some at home. I minimize how many I get each month because of the social distancing. I'm not seeing as many people in person anymore. So I don't have a ton of extra kits, so let me know if you want one pretty quickly. I only have a few. And that is it. That's the Summer Nights Paper Pumpkin kit. Really fun. I'm loving the jar. Loving these bags. That's going to be really fun. And anyway, all really cute, and I love the add-on pack. Really great bargain. Thanks for watching.